Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Stop scrolling. If you want to create amazing AI image in seconds without any skill, this video is for you. Today I will show you how to use Bing Image Creator step by step and also a hidden feature that makes everything even easier. First open Bing Image Creator. Here you can see different sections like create inspiration collections and one every useful option explore ideas. Let's start with explore ideas. Now you can see different AI generated images. This section gives viewer ideas and inspiration. If you do not know what to create, just come here. Pick any idea. Use it as your prompt. Like this. You can also copy the style and create similar images and download. Now click on create. This is where we generated our own images. Type your idea, for example, a dream car. Now click create. Now the AI is generating images. This take a few seconds while we wait. Remember, the more detail you add in your prompt, the better and more realistic your image will be. Wow, look at this. These images look professional and very detailed. And click on this download button. First, select your images. Now let's check templates. Click on get started with template. These are ready-made prompts perfect for beginner. Just select one, make small changes and click create. So basically explore ideas, give as inspiration, create lets you generate your own images. Templates make everything easier. This make it perfect for beginner and creators. So this is how you can use Bing Image Creator to use AI images in second. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below what kind of image will you create.